Are you training your legs wrong? Master these moves to boost fat loss and build serious strength. Fat loss can feel complicated with endless advice out there, but sometimes the basics work best. Today, we're going to break down the top compound leg exercises that make a difference. These exercises hit multiple muscles, help you burn fat faster, and build strength. You'll see the exercises organized by effectiveness with S tier, the fundamental moves at the top, and A tier, which are still highly effective and add variety. Whether you're just getting started or ready to push your limits, these exercises can make every leg day count. Each one of these moves targets the large muscle groups in your legs, like the quads, glutes, and hamstrings, which are essential for a higher calorie burn and stronger overall physique. First, the S tier. Pick 2 to 3 of these and add them to your workout plan. Starting with the barbell back squat, a key player in leg exercises. This classic move doesn't just target your quads and glutes, it also pulls in your core and lower back. That's a big win when it comes to calorie burn and building strength. As you begin, focus on form over weight. Place your feet shoulder width apart, engage your core, and lower down while keeping your chest up. Aim to go deep enough to feel the tension in your glutes and quads. With each squat, you're working multiple muscle groups, which increases the energy your body uses during and after your workout, enhancing fat burn. For those ready to level up, consider adding more weight gradually as your form improves. Next up, the front squat, a slight twist on the back squat that shifts more weight to the front, putting extra emphasis on your quads. This is perfect if you're looking to build strength in the upper part of your legs. It also brings your core into action, making sure your posture is steady. Start by resting the barbell across the front of your shoulders, elbows up, and keep your core tight to avoid leaning forward. By holding the weight in front, you're challenging your balance and core even more. If you're new to this, try with lighter weights until you're comfortable with the motion. Let's talk about the hack squat. This move is ideal if you're after a stable and controlled squat that still targets your legs and glutes effectively. The hack squat machine supports your back, allowing you to focus on pushing with your legs without worrying about balance. Adjust your feet to a comfortable position, usually shoulder width, and drive through your heels as you push up. By using the machine, you're keeping your form in check, which is great for burning calories and building lean muscle safely. The Smith machine squat is another powerhouse exercise for the legs, offering stability for those who might need support. This is especially helpful if you're training at a higher intensity or trying to emphasize your squat depth. Place your feet slightly ahead of you and grip the bar firmly. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Since the bar follows a fixed path, it helps you focus on form and really push your quads to fatigue. This stability allows you to go heavier, burning more calories with each rep. The single leg exercise, the Bulgarian split squat, is a game changer for targeting quads and glutes while enhancing your balance. Begin by standing a few feet in front of a bench, placing one foot on it behind you. Lower down with control, keeping your weight on the front leg and your knee in line with your toes. This exercise is highly effective for isolating each leg, improving stability, and burning calories. Since it's unilateral, it helps address muscle imbalances, giving you a more balanced strength foundation. A tier exercises. These would be a great addition to any workout plan. Pick 1 to 2 of them as accessory exercises, moving to the leg press. This exercise is a great alternative if you want to target your legs with back support. Sit with your back against the pad and push the platform up, focusing on controlled movement. Adjust the weight to your level and start with a moderate rep range. This move works the quads, hamstrings, and glutes while reducing strain on your lower back, making it ideal for building muscle without putting too much pressure on your core or balance. Lunges are a versatile compound exercise, great for fat loss. With lunges, you engage the quads, glutes, and hamstrings while challenging your balance and core strength. You can do these with just body weight or add dumbbells for extra resistance. Start by stepping one foot forward, lowering until both knees are at 90-degree angles. This simple motion burns a lot of calories while also enhancing stability and coordination. Finally, the leg extension. This machine isolates the quads, making it perfect for targeting these muscles after heavier compound exercises. Sit comfortably, adjust the seat, and extend your legs to feel the burn in your quads. Adding this exercise at the end of your workout helps you achieve muscle fatigue and a higher calorie burn, maximizing your training for fat loss. These exercises give you everything you need to build strong, tone legs, and boost your fat loss journey. With the S-tier exercises, you're maximizing power, strength, and calorie burn while the A-tier choices help add balance and variety. Focus on proper form, stay consistent, and watch your results grow over time. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe and join us for more tips to make every workout count. Remember, the journey to fat loss doesn't have to be complicated when you have the right tools.